Welcome into the era of AI. Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a lightning fast video to promote a product as an affiliate. Say that you are a ClickBank, not a ClickBank affiliate, ClickBank, JVZoo, Digistore. Let's say you're an affiliate, period. And you want to promote a specific program depending on what you want to promote. I'm going to take trading as an example because they pay quite well. Say that you want to create a short 30-second video that, has for a goal to actually pull people into a specific landing page or a squeeze page or whatever it is you like to do with that. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make that work with the creative part, which is the video, which you can also use as a Facebook ad. You can also use as a YouTube ad or whatever it is you want to do. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So here, I'm just going to say, I want to promote an online or a trading online course for my client who makes, let's just say, 100K a month trading, and he wants to share a method to earn $397 consistently from trading every day with 99% chances to win all trades. Okay, so if I hit enter right now, it's going to go ahead and write the script for this video. So here, this is the promotional script. Now, of course, I'm going to say for each 5 seconds, do your job. Now, what I'm asking it, in other words, is, well, do your job. Now here it says it says earn 100K a month. On trading, it's possible. Discover how to earn, nice success. Learn the method that guarantees success, profit, no experience, no problem. This course is for everyone. Okay, so I'm going to say now, assemble the voiceovers in one line. Now it's going to assemble the voiceovers in one line. Right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Canva, of course, and click create, and I'm going to create a video. Okay. So it must be a video. And then I'm going to drag this particular video right here and get started working. Now, the video is right there. So now I'm going to go and get the voiceovers. Let's copy the voiceovers. I'm going to go to 11 Labs. And to get a more convincing voice, I'm going to use the voice I use regularly for most of my shorts, which is either Jack or Adam. Jack is a smooth narrator. Adam is more convincing. It's realistic. So let's just click.
Earn 100K a month trading? It's possible. Discover how to earn $397 every day with 99% success. Learn the method that guarantees consistent profits. No experience?
So I'm going to pause because I added the keyword want to earn 100K a month.
Want to earn 100K a month trading? It's possible. Discover how to earn $397 every day with 99% success. Learn the method that guarantees consistent profits. No experience? No problem. This course is for everyone. Join hundreds who are already winning every day. Start winning trades today. Enroll now.
Okay, perfect. So now I'm going to download my voiceover script. I'm going to come back to my Canva project. You must be a really good Canva video creator by now. We've created quite the videos. Now I'm going to go and say, trailer or trading course trailer. And here I'm going to add specifically 6 different pages. And actually, after adding the pages, I'm going to drag my 11 Labs voiceover into the uploads. And I'm going to move the needle right at the beginning of that video. Then I'm going to click my voiceover to apply to the screen, to the scene. And I'm going to come right back here. And now let's just get started. So here we have the first scene, which is a client confidently trading. So here, let's just go and copy the scene. Now, they give you these particular descriptions, which are very, very useful because if you just go and copy paste them into Canva, they're going to give you exactly what you're looking for, or sometimes not the case, but most of the times it is the case. So here we have this person trading. I'm going to click just to put the scene here. It doesn't matter if the scene is big. Just set the video to the background and then move to scene number 2. Now, in scene number 2 is a screen showing consistent, Okay, so I'm going to go and look for someone, making money online. It doesn't have to be exactly as they said. You can just look for someone making money online and pulling some money. Now we have this particular video, which is pretty good. Let's set this video as the background and move to the scene afterwards. Now here we have a visual of a client explaining a method to a smaller group of attentive students. Let's go forward and let's just click Control V to paste. And as you can see, this is quite good. So let's just go and grab one of these videos of a mentor. I'm going to click right here and you can see that, well, this has nothing to do with trading. So I'd like to go and maybe find a video more like this. Okay, so let's look for client explaining trading. Client explaining trading, because we don't want the scene to be explaining physics. People are going to get frustrated. Now let's click here. I think this one is a good one. And so I'm just going to go and set the video to the background as well and move on. So this is the other scene. So let's come to scene number 4. The visual is close of the client's trading strategy with a whiteboard. Okay, so let's just copy paste. There you go. Okay, so I have this one. I'm just going to use this one because it's a trading theme. And let's go back to here. So we have testimonials from students. Okay, so instead of testimonials from students, we can just find someone who's a digital nomad and use that as the proof. Let's set the video to background. And now let's move to the final one. Now, client smiling confidently with a call to action. Okay, so here I'm just going to go and say client smiling confidently. Let's just paste it right up here. Click Control V. Okay, click Control V here instead. And yeah, so here, let's just click this one. And I think that this is a pretty good video, and let's put it right there. Now, first off is I want you to click each scene and go to playback and make sure you increase the video speed. I'm going to do the same for scene number 2. I'm going to do the same for this one as well. And I'm going to do the same for this one as well. So for each scene, I'm going to do the work. Secondly, I would like to take each scene and actually reduce the length of that scene considerably so as to not make it huge. So I'm just going to go and keep decreasing. Click this one as well. Keep decreasing. Click this one as well. Keep decreasing. Click this one as well right here. Okay, so as you can see, this is pretty good. Now here, the final one, we could just make it smaller. And as you can see, this is pretty good. All right, very, very good. So now, after I've done this, we can add transitions. So I'm going to go forward and click Add Transition. As far as the transitions are concerned, I'm probably going to add the dissolve transition. I'm going to apply between all of them. And of course, I can just take one of those scenes and make it a little bit bigger in order to show all of the voiceover. And I think that now we have done a pretty good job. I'm just going to do a little bit more just in case. Okay, this one as well. Right, let's just see. Yeah, I still need to do it. For some reason, I still need to add more length to the videos. Okay, let me just add a little bit more to this one. And a little bit more to this one. Right. Okay, finally, now we're good. So I'm going to put this at the beginning. And now we need some music. So if you go to apps, let's go to TuneTank. Let's grab some music. So I'm going to go to TuneTank here. TuneTank. And TuneTank gives us access to some music. So let's first of all search for it. There it is. And I'm going to get a simple music. So I'm going to get the power music. I think it's a pretty good one. I'm going to apply it at the beginning, but at the same time, I want to make sure that I apply it, but I keep it small, or I keep the sound low. So I'm going to click the music, turn it 10. 10 would be great. And that's it. And now what I want to do, I want to go back to elements, and I want to I just want to listen to this. I just want to listen to this, right? So.
Want to earn 100K a month trading?
And instead of adding captions, here's what we're going to do. We're going to go here. We're going to grab a text, put a headline. And basically, because we're on this page, you can say earn 100K USD per month with trading. And we can take that particular trading, or this call to action, can make it bigger. And we could, go to the effects. You can choose a different effect like this, but I'm going to choose the neon effect. Plus, I'm going to make it bold. Plus, I'm going to go for a different color, such as green. You can see that that is looking good. And I'm going to animate this by using the, this is the effect I'm looking for, the stomp effect. And I'm going to keep going.
With trading, it's possible. Discover.
The music is still 100, I think. It's still at 100. Okay, yeah. So I'll have to do it again. All right, so here we go. Now it's good. Now let's move the needle back, and let's keep watching.
Discover how to earn $397 every day with 99%.
Right, so here I'm going to go back to this scene, and I'm going to copy this particular element. And on page number 2, I'm going to go and place it, and I'm going to say win 99% of your trades. And it's okay if we can make this a little bit bigger and make sure it's in the middle. And I'm going to go to the animation and use a different animation. So first of all, let's go and remove the animation that exists. And we can use a different animation like the bounce animation or something burst. I'm going to use the block animation. And now let's keep going. So here, what do we have? Right, so we have this other scene. Let's listen to it.
Percent success. Learn the method that guarantees consistent.
Right, guarantees. So here they're talking about a guarantee. So I'm going to split this scene from this point, and no animations or no transitions because it's the same scene. And I'm going to go and look for guarantee. So when it comes to guarantee, I'm going to go to graphics, and in terms of graphics, I'm just going to pick a graphic that says 100% guarantee. Kind of like this one. And I'm going to actually make this a little bit smaller and then place it somewhere right there. And I'm going to add an animation to this by clicking on it, animate, and then click pop maybe. And let's keep watching.
Guarantees consistent profit. No experience, no.
Okay, no experience. This is a good line. Now I'm going to go and copy this text, go back here, and I should definitely add no experience right here so that people can know that it doesn't require from them any experience from them. Let's say no experience. And as far as the animation, let's just keep the same animation.
No experience.
Okay, let's just go back, start all over.
This course is for everyone. Join hundreds who are already winning every day. Start winning trades.
And we can just go over to elements and look for, some money. And the good thing is that if you go to graphics, you'll find some gifts, some money gifts. So for instance, there's money falling from the sky. These are some very interesting gifts that you can find inside of Canva. And so you can actually pick some of them. So for instance, I can pick this one, and I could place it right here so that make it look like it's raining dollars. I could just expand, and of course, I could zoom out and expand a little bit more than this, maybe like so. And as you can see, it looks good. And also, you can add an overlay. Now, an overlay, for example, is this one. I can add a golden overlay. So I can go to elements, and I can look for golden gradient. And in terms of the photos, we have a bunch of golden gradients, like this one, for example. And you can just go and add an overlay to that scene to make it look great. So you can put this overlay on top, like so. And you can see how that looks. It really does look great. And of course, maybe for some others, you can also add overlays. Maybe for this one, let's just go and add, I don't know, maybe the sunlight effect or something. So let's just go sunlight. And if we go to graphics, there's a lot of sunlight here, and we can just go and grab some sunlight, place it here, or place it to the other side, but we need to just flip it horizontally. And you can see how this looks. It shines upon the keyword, but I'm going to make sure the keyword is positioned right to the front, which is already done. And I'm just probably going to, yeah, I think it's good now. I think it's ready. So let's go ahead and click on this share button, download, and let's download this video as an MP4 video, 1080 or 4K. In my case, you can download it as 1080 pixels. And let's just wait until this video is downloaded so that we can watch this together. This will be the last video. Of course, if there's an update, I'll notify you through educational announcements. Hopefully, you have enjoyed what we've put together, and hopefully this course is not disappointing so far. Stay tuned. All right, so let's go ahead and visualize our video. All right, 1, 2, 3.
Want to earn 100K a month trading? It's possible. Discover how to earn $397 every day with 99% success. Learn the method that guarantees consistent profits. No experience? No problem. This course is for everyone. Join hundreds who are already winning every day. Start winning trades today. Enroll now.
All right, so if you don't think that's a great trailer, I don't know what you will think is a great trailer. So hopefully this was a pretty good module. If you need anything, just let me know in the Q&A section. I'm always here for you because, let me be honest with you, I just love to be out there and help. So just make sure you ask your questions. Do not get shy whatsoever. Ask all of your questions. I'll make sure I answer each and every one of them. So hopefully you can find peace, and wish you the best of luck. See you in our next video.